Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to program a Kwikset Powerbolt 250 keypad lock from start to finish. We will cover the initial setup, adding a user code, and the most important step most people skip, the door handling process. So before adding any of the codes, the lock needs to learn your door's direction. So first of all, you need to keep the door open, then simply remove the interior cover. Now, once you have removed the interior cover, you are going to see this type of program button available inside it. So you need to simply press this particular program button once, and after pressing the program button, you just have to simply press the 0 button, and after pressing the 0 button, you need to press the Kwikset logo button or this particular lock button. Now the deadbolt should automatically extend and retract, and after doing this, you just have to simply start adding the first user code. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to again press the program code. After pressing the program code, you just have to simply press 1 on the keypad. Then you need to simply press the lock button or the Kwikset logo button. Afterwards, you need to enter your 4 to 8 digit user code and then press the lock button or the Kwikset logo button again in order to save the lock or save the code. So if it is successful, the keypad should flash green light and beep, and the Powerbolt 250 supports up to 25 user codes. So you can add this much amount over here in this particular method. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.